how to fix can't log in to Yahoo. So if you want to fix can't log into Yahoo problem, then what you can do is first open up your browser and you can search for Yahoo and then hit the enter. And if it's taking a lot of time to load, then it means it might be because of your internet connection. So make sure that you have a stable internet connection. To check your internet connection, you can just open up your YouTube and then play one or two videos and make sure that it's running smoothly or playing smoothly. Once you're done with the internet connection, you can open up your website, which is www.yahoo.com, and you can just go with sign in, which is on the top right, and then try to sign in. But if that still does fix your problem, then go with the top right, which has that three dots, and then go with settings. Now under settings, you need to go with privacy and security, and there you will have site settings. You just need something to go with site settings and scroll down and then go with view permissions and data stored across sites. And here you need to search for Yahoo. Once you search for Yahoo, you may have the cookies right here. So you just need simply go and delete the cookies, which will sign you out of your account. And after that, you can again just remove your browser, relaunch your browser again, and now you can go with sign in and your problem will be fixed. So that's it. That's how you can fix your problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.